So here's our second example of an age problem. It says, John is twice as old as Bill. In 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 34. Find their present ages. Just like in the last question, I will want to use a table to get a sense of what I'm doing. So I need to talk about John, and I need to talk about Bill. And the times I'm talking about are now and in the future. So let's look at who we're talking about, what we're talking about. We're talking about John. We're talking about Bill. I left a gap here so I could label down here what times we're talking about. We're talking about now. And we're talking about in 5 years. Okay, so what do we know about them? John is twice as old as Bill. So it's much easier if we set x to be Bill, because then John can be 2x. If we set x to be John, then Bill would have had to been half an x, and it would have just been harder to work with. We would have got the right answer in the end still. In 5 years, these guys are going to be 5 years older. So Bill, if he's x now, I'm going to add 5 to whatever he is. John, he's 2x now. Again, we're just going to add 5 to what that is to know how old he is in 5 years. So now we can use this in one more piece of information to figure out our answer. So it says in 5 years, okay, so we're using the stuff on this column right there. The sum of their ages, that means I'm going to be doing some adding, of their ages, so it's that and that, so 2x plus 5 plus x plus 5. Okay, there would have been brackets around these, but they don't actually do anything. Is, or will be, in this case, because it's the present, 34. So, now we can collect like terms on the left side here and get 3x, might as well do that right now, equals, I've got 2 minus 5s, I'll carry those over to the other side, and I can do this arithmetic here. X equals 8. Again, that's not the answer. It's just the solution to the equation. It's not the answer until we plug it in. It says find their present ages, and there means both of them. So we have to plug in 8 here. X equals 8. That's just 8. And 2x is 2 times 8, which equals 16. So their ages are 16 and 8.